Start. I think, there will not be any soldier in due course, after a decade, we may not have any soldier. Stop. We may be having a system of surveillance whereby the higher level officers will be looking at the monitors to find out as to where the movement is taking place, and then they will carry out attacks from certain locations. Stop. Therefore, the human resources are not going to be tortured like that as in the conventional way of military services, the Air Force or the Navy. Stop. We are gradually going to the scientific method of protecting our country. Stop. We are gradually going to the level of understanding each and every aspect in scientific way, rather than the conventional methods. Stop. But, at the same time, as we have brought up in the culture that our body should be fit for anything, any consequences, facing any opposition by way of physical battle like situation, similarly our mind should also be very stable to look at the issues, whenever there is a battle or war situation comes up. Stop. Similarly, we should have the intelligence to use it. Stop. We are the people who accept the sovereignty. Stop. We are born with a divine power to protect not only our homes, not only our families, not only our town, but we have to protect our soil, the mother soil, which has brought us to this level. Stop. Many of the pictures which were coming during 1965 inculcated a lot of patriotism throughout India. Stop. Lal Bahadur Shastriji's slogan of the Kisan and the military people was also very much appreciated at that time. Stop. Nowadays, we are deviating ourselves from this type of national aptitude or national commitment or national patriotism. Stop. These are all becoming the back burner of the Indian society. Stop. It is a right time, I feel, that we have to make a parallel level of education, even from the level of the primary school and high school, to have the skill of military, armed force and navy, so that the people who have got the aptitude to come and join the military schools or air force schools or navy schools or colleges at the latter level, they should get the opportunity of making it. Stop. Our Honorable Prime Minister, Dr. Manmohan Singh, when he was heading the UPA, even took the initiative that at the high school level, there should be Indian Administrative Services training, so that the people who are ready to come forward, who have the aptitude to become the administrators of public services, should have the opportunity to learn things. Stop. Therefore, the opportunity of learning the things at the lowest level, the accessibility to have the knowledge at the lowest level is very important. Stop. The present system of education is gradually going only for occupation or for job oriented education. Stop. We have to mix it along with patriotism, we have to mix it along with the feeling that I am an Indian, I have to come forward, committing myself to save the country, not only its territorial integrity, not only saving it from the enemies, but also showing my merit, showing my commitment, showing my innovation, showing my research mind, I want to show that Indians are the best people in the world. Stop. We are proud that for the last 65 years, our brain drain is one of the sources of the Western countries, more specifically the Americans. Stop. They have grown only with our own trained people who have gone to America seeking jobs and become citizens after getting the green card. Stop. Now, the view is turning around. Stop. Indians are coming back to India from America to show their merit. Stop. Therefore, this is the correct opportunity to create a thinking. Why not we go for better training at the high school level, just like the NCC and other things. Stop. I was in the defense committee. Stop. At that time, I could get the opportunity of calling the National Cadet Corps Director General as witness. Stop. At that time, we could find that the government had started to stop funding for training. Stop. If I have a private school and I want to have an NCC training, but what they say is, you have to pay for that. Stop. I hope the government should come forward to allow the payment to be made by the government itself to have the NCC training at the high school. Stop. Whether it is a public school or a private school, whoever is volunteering to have the training, the government of India, from the defense ministry, should pay for that and ask them to have the training. Stop. Not only physically but also mentally and technically, they should be graduated to that level. Stop. I very much recollect how I sailed in the Arabian Sea. Stop.